Welcome back to the shop, guys. Ben Tucker with Muscle Car Central. We're working on our 67 over there. Holly gave us a 4L60E transmission. To put that in this car, we needed a crossmember. G-Force Crossmembers sell all kinds of crossmembers for any kind of overdrive transmission, factory style transmission, turbo 350, 400, Powerglide. They have it all. They gave us this bad boy here, and I'm telling you, I haven't gone to the gym today. I'm going to try. This thing is sweet, man. I mean, it is heavy duty. It is made to fit the 4L60s. This thing right here is going to do a fantastic job for us. Can't wait to put it in. Not only did they give us a crossmember, they got us an adjustable crossmember mount for the transmission. This thing is cool. All the hardware comes with it. All the hardware comes with the crossmember itself, spacers, graded bolts, detailed instructions. This is stuff we sell. CamaroCentral.com, FirebirdCentral.com, MuscleCarCentral.com. Thank you to G-Force for giving us this. We really are excited to put this in. It's stuff that we're proud to sell. If you haven't got one, you should get one from us. Remember to see that video when we put it in, hit that button below, give us a like.